Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing. So today I have taken a concept as well as a question. Given A, B, C are positive real numbers, A plus B plus C equals to 0. Show that A power B plus B power C plus C power A is less than equals to 1. So before answering it and writing the concept, let me thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So here, this question is based on weighted mean or weighted arithmetic mean, geometric mean, inequality. It relates to this one. Now what it states that if any list of weights W1, W2, weight 3 up to weight n, all are greater than equals to 0, such that sum of this mean, sum of all this weight, not mean, is again equals to total weight, then weight 1 into x1 plus weight 2 x2, weight 3 x3 up to weight n xn. The mean is greater than equals to weight of x1, weight, x2 power its weight, x3 power weight, so on up to xn, weight n. Now when this x1, x2, x3 are all equals to each other, and when weight 1 equals to weight 2 equals to weight 3 equals to weight n, that time weighted mean reduced to AM GM equality. MGM inequality. So this is called mean equality chain. Means root mean square, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean inequality. So if we understand this concept, then this to solve this question is very easy. So here we will get x1 square, root mean square, x2 square, sum of x3 square, whole xn square, root mean square, n is your greater than equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn divided by n, the mean, arithmetic mean, and now coming to geometric mean, that will be x1, x2, x3 up to xn. So now taking this one, we will solve this question. Here we are taking 4 real numbers A, B, C, and these three are given x1, x2, x3. A is repeated B times, that means B is the weight. B is repeated C times, so C is the weight. C is repeated A times, so sum of weights AB plus BC plus CA. Then we can apply this inequality now, that is your AB plus AC plus BC whole divided by 3 is greater than equals to A plus B plus C total weight, A power B, B power C, C power A. And it is given that A plus B plus C equals to 3. It's given. So applying this, we write AB plus AC plus BC 3 equals to cube root of A to the power B, B to the power C, C to the power A. Now we know that A plus B plus C whole square is always greater than equals to 3 times of AB plus AC plus BC. Or A plus B plus C square is given to 3. So 3 square 9 is greater than equals to 3 times of AB plus AC plus BC. Or AB plus AC plus BC is less than equals to 3. Now we need this one, this left side. So I am writing this step again. Just have a look. So AB plus AC plus BC by 3 is less than 1. So now putting right hand side, so cube root of A to the power B, B to the power C, C to the power A is less than 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. Now taking the cube of both the sides, I get A power B, B to the power C, C to the power A is less than 1. Hence proved. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.